In this short tutorial, I will show you how to unarchive a WhatsApp chat on your iPhone. Archiving a chat on WhatsApp allows you to hide it from your main chat list, but you can easily unarchive it whenever you want to bring it back. To get started, open up the WhatsApp application and then tap Chats. After that, pull down just like this. Then tap on the Archived option. Now you will be able to see all the chats you've archived on WhatsApp. What you want to do next is find the chat that you want to unarchive. Then swipe the chat to the left, just like this. And then simply tap Unarchive. The chat will now be moved back to your main chat list. By following these simple steps, you can easily unarchive any WhatsApp chat on your iPhone and access it again whenever you need to, without losing any messages or media shared in the conversation. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.